한간데 다들 남치 장고 쇼시도로 한도 강모 리길이야 아니 간다 별 앉아는 구석에 이게 들리나요?
Can't see everybody else and they're in a circle.
Look to the left. Look to the left.
Look to the left.
Big circle.
Big circle. Big circle. All right. Alright guys, can we have one nice big circle? Okay, everybody in the circle? So this is, anybody can take part if you want to get in here. This is called the function. Stay away from me. So this is called function. Before I have let's talk up here and lead us to function. One of the most, can you hear me? Okay, Samsung is like one of the most ancient classic kind of Tibetan tradition. And Samba is something that Tibetans eat all the time. It's the staple food of Tibet. But you hold the Samba in your hand and throw it in the air in celebration. So you usually do it on two occasions when you're celebrating something, a joyous occasion. But you also do it before campaigns or big battles or big projects, before starting something. And this is sort of an offering to the gods and the deities and nature and the mysterious forces in the universe. And you're asking the mysterious forces for your help in the battle, the non-violent battle that we are about to engage in. Okay? So, Loksan will come here and lead us in the Sangha. The way you do it is, you hold the tapa, you can say so, right? And everybody kind of like sing along with him. And we do it 3 times, okay? And on the 4th time, throw the tapa in the air. In the air, vertically, directly above your head, not next to you, okay? We're gonna now wrap things up by singing Longsho, which is the Rise Up
Tibetan, pretty much the Tibetan national uprising song. We're going to be singing Losho, which is the Tibetan uprising song, and that's how we will end today's anniversary of Tibetan Independence Day. So if you could all join us in that. And I'm going to have Lobsan lead us in that as well. Lobsan.